Heavenly Father, as I prepare to sleep, I come before you with a grateful heart for the gift of this day and for your constant presence in my life. I trust in your wisdom and grace to guide me. I surrender all the worries, burdens, and anxiety into your loving hands, knowing you are in control of all things. I ask for your grace to grant me a restful, peaceful sleep. May your peace, which surpasses all understanding, guard my heart and my mind. I ask for your protection over me and over my loved ones. Thank you for keeping us safe from harm, both seen and unseen. Let your peace be our guard and your love be our shield. Thank you for the angels who are watching over us. Lord, grant me a peaceful and regenerating sleep so I may wake up fresh for a new